Here's the problem. It's finding the money within your current monthly budget to save and invest for retirement and to pay for college educations. You know that you need to save more money and you want to save more money, but there never seems to be enough to both live for today and save for tomorrow. There simply isn't any extra money in your current household budget to save and invest any more than you already do. But if you can't find the money now, how can you ever afford to retire or send your children to college? So what's the solution? Well, without realizing it, we all waste money every month. We pay for things we don't really need, or we pay more than we should for things we really do need. So the solution is to eliminate those unnecessary expenses from your current household budget. Reduce both your debts and your taxes, and put all that money into long-term savings without any taxation. It's called the Found Money Management System, and it's absolutely free. Doesn't cost a cent. The Found Money Management System is a way to convert wasted dollars within your current monthly budget into regular monthly savings without any taxation on either the growth or the withdrawal of your money. With the Found Money Management System, you don't need to earn more income, you simply need to use the income you have more efficiently, and it's a lot easier than you might think. In fact, the average American household can save between 8 and 13% of their monthly budget, which can grow without taxation over 10, 20, or 30 years of saving to tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars. The process begins with a careful review of your monthly budget and your financial priorities. This budget review will identify 2 savings opportunities. 1, waste within your budget, unnecessary expenses, and 2, assets that can be repositioned for compound annual growth, but without risk and without taxation. That's why the Found Money Management System has been proven to work for thousands of people who thought they were already doing all they could to minimize their expenses and maximize their savings. For example, Tom and Ann are in their early 40s with 3 children, ages 5, 8, and 11. They had $115,000 in their 401k accounts and a $1,300 monthly mortgage payment. They also had $7,800 in credit card debt and 2 car payments. And with the exception of their automatic deposits from their paychecks into their 401k accounts at work, they were not saving any more money, and they assumed that there was nothing they could do to save any more. But through the Found Money Management System, they discovered $1,190 of debt reduction and tax savings, as well as unnecessary expenses within their current budget. Extra money they could put into savings for retirement and college funding. So over the next 26 years, they are now projected to save more than $350,000 in taxes and withdraw at least $420,000 of tax-free income at retirement using the Found Money Management System. With the Found Money Management System and your current monthly income, you can be debt-free. You can keep money in a cash reserve in case you need it. You can have the money to pay for your kids' college education. You can also pay off your home mortgage by the time you retire, and you can be sure that you have enough money to retire on, even if you live to be 100. And the system is free. So ask yourself, with all this at stake, can I afford not to use the Found Money Management System?